In primetime news this evening, first monkeypox case in Jamaica. Health Ministry gives details, insisting no need for panic. What do we do now? Health expert outlines suggestions to avoid local monkeypox outbreak. And ETOC members named for Orlando Patterson's education report implementation.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we're asking, what are your thoughts on the announcement that Jamaica has recorded its first monkeypox case? You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet us at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.